Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you like these videos and want more, be sure to subscribe. We're here to share content that's simple and useful. Let's get started.
Creating a new folder in Yahoo Mail on your iPhone is a quick way to organize your messages. Organizing your inbox helps you find important emails much faster. First, find the Yahoo Mail app on your home screen. Tap the app icon to open it. Once the app is open, look at the bottom of your screen. You will see several different icons there. Tap on the icon that looks like a small folder. This will open your entire list of mailboxes and current folders. Scroll all the way down to the very bottom of this list. At the bottom, you will see a clear option that says Create New Folder. Tap on that specific text. A new box will pop up on your screen immediately. Use your keyboard to type a name for your new folder. You can name it whatever you want for your organization. After you type the name, look for the Save button. It is usually located in the top right corner of the box. Tap Save to finish the process. Your new folder is now ready to use. You can move emails into it right away. To move an email, open any message in your inbox. Tap the Move icon at the bottom. It looks like a small folder with an arrow. Select your brand new folder from the list. The email will move there instantly. You can repeat these steps to make as many folders as you need. This keeps your main inbox clean and very easy to read. Managing your mail on an iPhone is simple once you know exactly where to look.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.